Connect, create, progress equals SDG 9. ক্রিয়েটিভিটিকে আমরা যদি উৎসাহিত করি তাহলে আমরা একটা শিল্প সমৃদ্ধ আগামী পাবো। কারা কারা নমিনেটেড হয়েছেন এসডিজি 9 এর জন্য? এসডিজি 9 এর উইনার কে হবে চলুন দেখে আসি স্ক্রিনে। আমরা হব সবার প্রেরণা।
So what is not very useful practice? Here you can see a picture of a polluted factory. So practices involve unethical behavior in the office.
শিল্প উপাদান এবং ব্যবসা তখন বিপদ ধরে যখন তার ন্যায় বিচার এবং সমতার ভিত্তিতে পরিচালিত হয়, কিন্তু এখনো অনেক ক্ষেত্রে শ্রমিকরা শোষণের শিকার। আজ আমি জানবো কিভাবে।
The winner of SDG 9 is SM Sadman Khan.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Shadman, a student from Government 𝗠𝗨𝗕𝗔𝗦𝗦𝗛 College from Khulna, and beside of my academic I run a mental health organization named MySphere. So today I will talk about SDG 9. Let's imagine two scenarios. Here you can see scenario 1, a boy named Alif who lives in rural area and his father works in a undeveloped factories. And here you can see scenario 2, where a boy named Akif who lives in urban area and his father works in high industrial areas, and everything is so AI automated and there is no polluted areas beside of there. So SDG 9 focuses on industry, innovation and infrastructure. It is crucial for job creation, reducing inequalities and achieving sustainable development globally. But we are facing some challenges. Here you can see such as infrastructure gaps, limited funding, environmental concerns, regulatory barriers, child labor, and finally technological disparity. But no problem, I made a solutions framework. Here you can see green infrastructure, AI and automation, zero waste processes, hydrogen fuel, funding and innovation, strict labor laws, recycling businesses, equality, and also digital accessibility. Well, let's talk about solutions in details. We can set up sustainable buildings, renewable energy, eco-friendly transport, AI on automation, smart robotics in hazardous labor, AI-driven automated production. We can try waste reduction, circular economy, etc. We can try clean energy, zero emissions, diverse application. We can try impact investing, grants, cooperative research, waste diversion, resource recovery, job creation. Finally, we can focus on equal opportunities. We should give equal pay, try to maintain no discrimination in workplaces. We can also try to expand internet access, digital literacy in rural areas, and we could also set up digitalized workplace everywhere. So that's all about solutions. Now let me show you a success story. Here you can see South Korea. So South Korea transformed from a war-torn economy in the 1950s into one of the world's most advanced industrial and technological powerhouses. This success is largely due to strategic policies that promoted industrialization, innovation, and infrastructure development. So here you can see South Korea in 1950s, and here it is there right now. So we are at the end of the presentation, but before ending the presentation, I want all of you to send my message. I call all of you, whether you are an industry owner, or maybe a business leader, maybe a consumer, or you can be a student. Whether you are, I want all of you to take action and contribute to the success of the UN's SDG 9. And I believe together we can achieve a sustainable industry, innovation and infrastructure for a better and brighter future for everyone. Thank you.
এখন আমরা আমাদের জুরি বোর্ডের সদস্যদের মধ্য থেকে যে কোনো একজনকে আমাদের ফাইনালিস্টকে কোশ্চেন করতে বলবো তার নির্ধারিত বিষয় অনুযায়ী।
Thank you for great presentation. And this is really challenging, SDG, what you're talking, because does have so much of different kind of features and tasks, and you already named 9 of them. So my question is, actually, in your opinion, when we have to change so much, starting from education, campaigns, infrastructure, of course, engaging different kind of stakeholders and government definitely, and budget and so on, where to start?
Thank you, Miss, for your question. And I believe by our action, we can try to keep impact in the infrastructure sector. So we can try start creating awareness in the society, and also government needs to give more investing in the industrial sector. As a result, I believe that we can enhance industrial area with green infrastructure, and everything will be fixed, I believe. Thank you.